Before, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello guys, my name is Karina Silia. My nickname Ana. My father is
My name is Fataruda. My nickname Sel.
Today we are going to practice about offering help. Good afternoon, Selfie.
Good afternoon, Karina.
Can you help me?
Yes, what can I do for you?
My mother is sick. Can you take her the hospital?
Yes, where is your mother?
My mother is in the house. That's all from us.